can't believe that they are finally here. Hey guys, Shelby Smith with Jim and Eat Crickets. Today is a good day. Wanna know why? The Cricket Cookie Cookbooks are finally here. After over a year in the making, Cricket Cookie Cookbooks have finally landed here in person. It has been a roller coaster of emotions watching my FedEx tracking number as I try to get them here early enough to get them shipped out to people before the holidays, because I know a few of them are going as gifts, but super excited that they are finally here. So a little bit of a backstory. I first hatched this idea back in October of 2020. Thinking in a very overconfident manner, as I normally do, that I would be able to successfully get them launched and out there in physical form before the holidays in 2020. Man, was I wrong. Totally underestimated the amount of effort that it would take to develop the recipes, to take photography, to actually put the book together, to get them printed, get them shipped, all of the things. What was I thinking? Anyways, so a year in the making, here we are finally having the Cricket Cookie Cookbooks land. So at this point you might be asking yourself, why cookies? Like, why not something else? Let me ask you a question. Have you ever met somebody who doesn't like cookies? Spoiler alert, you probably should not trust that person. Just saying. The answer is probably not. Like, most everyone that you know likes some kind of cookie. Now, they may not like oatmeal raisin. They may think that those are imposter chocolate chip cookies meant to ruin the hopes and dreams of young children. But I like oatmeal raisin cookies, but hey, whatever. So, but the reason for cookies is they are an awesome thing to share with your friends and family who may not be sold on the whole idea of eating crickets. The thought of it just really freaks them out. Cookies are a nice, easy, crowd-pleasing way to get them to try their first cricket. There's no visual, does not have hardly any taste impact. I invite you to run a taste test between non-cricket cookies and cricket cookies and see how many people can pick out the ones that have crickets in them. My guess is that success rate will be pretty low. But like I said, it's a great way for you to share crickets with a first timer. Maybe if they can't wrap their heads around a cricket itself, they can wrap their heads around the cookies. So the irony of this cookbook is that majority of the stuff in it, I can't really eat anymore. After I started writing this and had already developed the recipes, taken a lot of photography, done all of that stuff, I started going gluten-free. Majority of these Cricket Cookie recipes are full of gluten and all of its goodness. There are 2 gluten-free recipes in it that I still enjoy and can enjoy, but the rest of them are packed with gluten. So if you're gluten-free, this may not be the one for you, but if you are gluten agnostic, this one will be right up your alley. So what you will find in this cookbook, there are 17 different recipes. My personal favorite before I went gluten-free were the cranberry citrus shortbread. Really like it. Really like it. Highly recommend if you are eating gluten. My 2 gluten-free recipes are a no-bake cricket cookie and a monster cookie. Both of them are also delicious. You will also get in here, there's a whole why eat cricket section about entomophagy. My origin story is on the back, and then there are cricket facts littered throughout the cookbooks. There's lots of different things for you to learn. They do make a really great gift. You can pair it with some of our 100% cricket powder and you are all set in terms of gift giving season. So if you are at all interested in checking out our Cricket Cookie Cookbook, you can just head over to the website. It is www.jimandeatcrickets.com. Like I said, I now have physical copies, so they will be hitting the mail as soon as I get your order. It is something that I am so excited is finally here and so excited for you guys to check out and share with your friends. So if you have watched this far, thank you so much for being here. As always, I really do appreciate your support. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. Otherwise, please consider liking, subscribing, sharing, all of the things. Thanks for being here.